So this question deserves a video response. Okay, so my friend is trying to break up with her therapist and the woman won't let her. She tried and the woman said, let's make 2 more sessions, then reassess. Okay, you may remember that I talked about not ghosting your therapist, which I wholeheartedly believe in. If you decide you don't want to go to therapy anymore, I think you should let your therapist know straight up and have ideally a discussion about it. But at the very least, say, hey, I'm not coming back, so they don't just wonder what happened to you and then you never answer their phone calls, right? However, this sounds icky to me, okay? If as a client you say to your therapist, I've decided I don't want to come to therapy anymore, I'm going to not come to any future sessions, your therapist may say, I would like to have one last session to discuss that for some closure. They call it like a termination. I hate that phrase. A termination session. You are not obligated to do that. If you would like to and you think it could be helpful, sure, have that last session. But you don't let anyone bully you or pressure you into coming back for multiple sessions if you have decided that you don't want to continue, right? I'd be very curious what the therapist's intention was with this. Does the therapist feel that the client is not ready to terminate, or that they're avoiding something and so they're trying to leave therapy because they're getting to something that's painful to talk about, but that would be ideally good to talk about for their mental health journey? Obviously, I don't know the circumstances around this, but excuse me, won't let her. That's not cool at all. We all have agency, self-determination. And so if this person says, I don't want to go back there, you don't have to go back. And you can shoot the therapist a text or a voicemail and say, hey, I've decided to not attend my next appointment and I'm not going to be coming back. Thanks for everything. Best of luck. Whatever. Okay? So you don't have to do something just because your therapist recommends it or asks you to. I'm not the boss of anybody but me. So keep that in mind, and you know what's best for you. And if you decide not to go to therapy anymore, that's cool. Let your therapist know and move on. Okay? Have a great day and sign up for my newsletter. Links in the bio.